guys, so today I just wanted to show you how I make beans and turn it into meat or steak. So let's go. So all you need is 1 cup of cooked beans, and now you're going to need 4 garlic cloves. You can put it in your blender. And now it's time to add your tomato paste. I'm using the tomato basil paste and it's vegan. I really like this brand. And you just need at least 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So this is how it's going to look like. So now it's time to season, and I'm going to be using the Texy Kitchen African flavor. Now it's time to season. You can actually find this, the link is in my bio. It's texykitchen.com, and I just added just a little bit. Here I would say probably 2 teaspoons of seasoning. You can use anything that you want actually. I'm just using my seasoning. And now the best part for the flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon. So basically I mixed honey with soy sauce. So now it's 1 tablespoon of that little sauce I made. And that's it. It's time to blend. And now it's time to blend. It's going to look like this, like a paste. So now we're going to place this in a bowl. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of gluten flour. And now you're just going to mix it all up. Mix it really good. And now you're going to add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And now after you put the breadcrumbs in, this is how it's going to look like, this consistency after you mix it all together. So now that it looks like a real steak, it's time to cut it in half. Now it's time to cut it. This is how it looks like right now. So now I'm going to put this in a pan with olive oil for 5 minutes on each side, and it's going to be done. So now my olive oil is in the pan. So I'm going to cook my beans, or you can call it steak if you want, for 5 minutes on each side and on medium heat. The medium. Looks really good already. And right now, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to add the sauce now. So now I'm adding the sauce. Looks like, and the sauce is just honey and soy sauce, and that's how it's going to look like. And now this is the end product. This is how it looks like. So delicious.